good, y'all? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can make $1,345 in one day. But before we get into this video, I would like to take one moment to thank all the people who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So, to show my appreciation, I will be giving two of my subscribers $25 each. Right now at the moment, I don't make any money from uploading these videos. I'm not monetized. However, once I do get monetized, the price will go up. I will be giving away anywhere from $100, $500, $1,000, $1,500, and up to $5,000, depending on how many views, how many subscribers I get, and if the channel is actually monetized. So if you're interested in making the money, all you have to do, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your Cash App information below, or just stop by and say hey or whatever. Also, if you want the chances of you making the money more better, all you have to do is share this video with somebody. Make sure you all leave your Cash App information in the comment section. That will make your chances a lot greater to come across the money. So let's get into it. With this gig economy app, you can make $1,345 in one day. You can be your own boss, work when you want to, you get paid weekly. All you'll be doing is delivering supplies. It could be medical supplies, construction material, food, beverage products, pretty much any kind of, items that come from Walmart, CVS Pharmacy, office, Home Depot, warehouses. So let's get into it. The app is called GoShare. And with GoShare, it's pretty much a high paying app. So let's get into it. Let's take a look and see. First, we're going to take a look and see what cities and states that this is actually located in. If it's located in your area, go ahead and download the app and make the money. So on the screen here, pretty much all over the United States. However, I do see a few states that they're not listed in. So if they're not listed in your area, reach out to them and actually call them, email them to see if they're actually located in your area. Now, we're going to look at the requirements. Minimum requirements. You must be 18 years or older. You must have a vehicle 2002 or newer. You must be able to pass a background check. You must have an iPhone. You must know how to use an iPhone. Pretty much it's easy and simple. It's pretty much like Uber, DoorDash, Instacart. Anytime there's a job available, you will get an alert to your phone. It will say what kind of item needs to be picked up and dropped off, how far it needs to be delivered, how much it's paying, who you need to speak to once you make the delivery. Now, depending on what kind of vehicle you have will determine what kind of products you will be delivering. If you have a smaller car, you'll be delivering smaller packages. However, if you have a box truck, a minivan, or even a pickup truck, you can be delivering larger items. They're going to be much more heavier, but the pay is good. They will also have a forklift with someone to help you load everything. And once you make it to the final destination, you have to hand load, use your dolly, and complete the delivery. You must have a checking account so you can receive direct deposit. You must be able to speak English. You must have a valid license. And I believe they're going to do a background check, but they're looking for hardcore felonies. So let's take a look around. You get benefits. You get weekly pay, flexible hours. You get dental insurance, life insurance. You even get money back when you're trying to purchase a vehicle. You can get discounts on tires, gas, and more. So I like the GoShare app because, the perks, the benefits that they offer, and you can also use a rental car. I don't really see other rideshare, GoShare apps that don't let you use a rental car, but with GoShare you can. So let's take a look. Pretty much what I explained earlier about when you get an alert to your phone telling you guys what type of packages need to be delivered, where it needs to be delivered to, who you need to speak to. That's what this section is pretty much talking about. So let's look and see around about how much you would get paid. So on the minimum end, if you have a small car, you can roughly get paid $45 per hour. Also, if you just want to be a laborer, you can get paid $60 an hour. Now with the labor, all you would be doing is helping somebody unload the deliveries and load the deliveries up. So you really won't be having to do a lot of transporting of merchandise, items, or food and beverage, or whatever type of equipment it is that you will be delivering. You would just be a helper. And with just being a helper, you can make $60 per hour. If you have a pickup truck, you can make $70 per hour. If you have a cargo van, you can make $105 per hour. Now, to make the big bucks, if you actually want to make the $1,345 in one day, you will need to have a box truck. With a box truck, the average earning is $168 per hour. That's roughly $1,345 in one day. So, if you're tired of looking around on the internet, looking for different side hustles that's not really making you any money, tap into the gig app economy. You can actually make money, real money. You get paid weekly. It will be direct deposit straight to your bank account. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Stay tuned to my next one.